Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've been following the cryptocurrency world, you've probably heard about the rising trend of real-world assets, or RWAs. These tokens, representing real-world assets like real estate, bonds, and other tangible assets, are gaining increasing attention in the crypto market. And 2025 promises to be a year where we'll see even more significant growth in this area. Today, I'll be talking about 5 RWA tokens that are standing out and have huge potential for the next year. If you're looking for great investment opportunities, these are the projects you need to have on your radar. So, let's dive in. First, let's talk about Mantra, OM. In 2024, OM saw an impressive increase of 6,196%, reaching a new all-time high of $4.63. That's definitely a number to keep an eye on. However, the token is currently going through a period of consolidation, meaning the price has been somewhat stable lately, causing some hesitation among investors. But here's the key point. As long as the price stays above the $3.36 level, the long-term uptrend remains intact. This gives us good prospects for the future. On the flip side, if the price falls below this support of $3.36, we could see a significant retracement going down to $1.29. So, if you're watching OM, it's crucial to pay attention to these price levels to understand its potential direction in 2025. Next up is Chintai, CHEX. This token has experienced a growth of 192% in 2024, making it a favorite among those following the RWA market. Interest in the Chintai network has been rising over the past few months, positioning CHEX as one of the most promising altcoins in this niche. Currently, CHEX is trading above 55 cents, which is a positive sign. If it manages to break through the 87 cents resistance, something that's quite possible given its recent growth, we could see the token setting a new all-time high. If that happens, CHEX could become an even more attractive investment for traders and investors, boosting its popularity and market participation. However, like any investment, there are risks. If the token falls below 55 cents, it could weaken the positive momentum it's been building. Keep an eye on this. Now, let's talk about Hedera, HBAR, which had a strong performance, especially in the last quarter of 2024, with an increase of 219%. This shows that the token is attracting significant interest and attention from investors. The focus now is on breaking through the $0.392 resistance. If HBR manages to surpass this level and turn it into solid support, we could expect even more growth in 2025. But, as always, there's a catch. If the price fails to hold the 25-cent support, HBAR could fall to $0.182, which would reduce its growth potential in the short term. Next up is Reserve Rights, RSR. This token performed well in 2024 with a 319% increase, but it's still below its peak of $0.025. What we need to watch in 2025 is whether RSR can maintain support at $0.013, which would allow it to continue its upward trend. However, remember that if the token fails to hold that support, we could see a drop to $0.009, which would lessen its growth prospects for the next year. Stay alert to that $0.013 level, as it will be crucial in determining the future of RSR. Last, but definitely not least, is Ondo. Ondo. This token saw an impressive increase of 545% throughout the year and hit a new all-time high of $2.14. This places Ondo as one of the fastest-growing tokens in the RWA sector. Currently, Ondo is trading at $1.43, and the focus now is on reclaiming the $1.48 support level. If it manages to push above that and stay there, Ondo has great chances to continue its upward trend. But as always, there's the risk of a pullback. If the price falls below $1.48, we could see a retracement down to $1.01, which could undermine the bullish outlook. And there you have it, 5 real-world assets, RWA tokens, that have everything to shine in 2025. As we've seen, the RWA market is expanding, and projects like Mantra, OM, Chintai, CHEX, Reserve Rights, RSR, Hedera, HBAR, and Ondo are at the forefront of this revolution. But of course, every investment comes with risks. Investors need to stay vigilant about the support and resistance levels of these tokens, because small price fluctuations can have a big impact in both the short and long term. If you're looking for opportunities in the crypto market, These tokens are definitely the ones you should be keeping an eye on in the coming months. Stay tuned, do your research, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel for more crypto content.